Welcome to Trinity Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Dave Easler, and this is my wife Cheryl. We're excited to take you on a tour of our office.
When we designed this office, we really did not want to make it feel like a doctor's office. We wanted it to be homey and comfortable and healing and a wonderful place for our patients to come. So come on and join us as we take you on a tour of our office. Welcome to our reception room. As you can see, we have beautiful warm colors, very comfortable seating, and a place where you can just come and sit and relax before your appointment. Here is our reception desk and our check-in station for patients, so they can efficiently check in for their appointments. So here we have our hospitality bar. We really wanted patients to come and relax at our office before their appointments, so we not only have healthy snacks, but we also have Pellegrino, LaCroix, water, coffee, and tea. Giving back to the local community is very important to us. So every 1 to 2 months, we partner with a different local nonprofit agency to not only bring about awareness of that nonprofit to our patients, but we also do a little mini fundraiser in our office for that organization. Here at Trinity Chiropractic, we see all ages. We created a children's room so that kids can come and hang out in a comfortable place while they're waiting for their adjustment or while they're waiting for their mom and dad to be adjusted. We have many children's activities to keep them busy and occupied. Welcome to our consultation room. This is where Dr. Easler is going to go over your history, do a very thorough examination, and he will also be going over his findings and treatment recommendations to help you get back to doing the things that you love to do. If x-rays are needed in your case, we offer them in-house with our state-of-the-art digital x-ray system. Here's our success storyboard. This is one of my favorite parts of our whole office. These are testimonials of our patients who have given us permission to share their story and how chiropractic truly helped change their life. We would love to add your story right here. Here's our first adjusting room. We have a total of 3 semi-private adjusting rooms. This is where Dr. Easler will give you your very gentle and specific adjustment using the TRT method, which involves no twisting, no popping, and no cracking. We combine the very gentle TRT adjustment along with rehabilitation in order to truly optimize your results. One of the pieces of equipment that we have is the Back on Track Spinal Decompression Unit. This unit gives you a very, very gentle traction that helps decompress your nerves and alleviate pain, as well as rehydrate your discs. We are the only ones in the Phoenix metro area that have this piece of equipment. So part of our rehabilitation includes core strengthening, balance training, and neuromuscular re-education in order to help facilitate your healing. Depending on what your particular needs are, we offer other rehabilitation equipment, including equipment that helps with cervical curve restoration, as well as whole body vibration plate therapy to help aid in the strengthening and healing process. Helping you with your pain is one of our top priorities, so we offer the K-Laser. This is an FDA-approved Class 4 deep tissue therapeutic laser that helps decrease pain, decrease inflammation, and speeds up your body's natural healing process. There are many professional athletes and collegiate teams, as well as Olympic athletes, that use this piece of equipment, and we are proud to offer it to you. Chiropractic and massage go beautifully together. Relaxation is a vital part of the healing process. So come and enjoy a massage and let our massage therapist help you relax and unwind.
Thanks for joining us on our tour. At Trinity Chiropractic, we're here to help you feel better, heal better, and live better. We look forward to serving you.
Bye.